A woman who police say stole a rental car with a child inside is arrested. Investigators say a man stopped at Tina's Carryout on Walnut Street and Over the Rhine this afternoon and then left a 9-year-old in the car. They say a woman jumped in the car and drove away. She dropped the child off at 8th and Vine Streets in downtown Cincinnati. The boy wasn't hurt. Police used a cell phone in the stolen car to track the woman. Officers spotted the car in Mount Auburn and began a short chase. It ended when the driver crashed while going the wrong way on McMillan near Dover Street. The suspect and another person were taken to the hospital.